1937. A dark year for science and progress. The United States government passed the Marijuana Tax Act, effectively criminalizing hemp, a variety of the cannabis sativa plant. But here's the twist. This wasn't just about psychoactive properties or the reefer madness at the time. This was also a war on innovation, a conspiracy to suppress the potential of hemp plastic, a material poised to revolutionize industries and replace oil-based plastics. Hemp plastic is not some futuristic concept. It's a reality with a rich history. As early as 1916, U.S. Department of Agriculture Bulletin No. 404 highlighted a study by E.J. Hallmanson showing that hemp fiber could produce 3 to 4 times more paper than trees on an equivalent area of land. And it doesn't stop there. In 1941, Henry Ford unveiled a car prototype made largely from hemp and other plant-based materials, running on hemp fuel no less. But why hasn't this sustainable, eco-friendly alternative taken over? The answer lies in the complex interplay of politics, economics, and fear. You see, hemp plastic threatens powerful industries, namely big oil and timber, that have deep pockets and strong influence over policymakers. Hemp plastic is not just any green alternative, it's superior in many ways to traditional plastics. It's biodegradable, recyclable, and requires less energy to produce. Moreover, hemp grows quickly, often reaching maturity in 4 months, making it a highly renewable resource unlike fossil fuels which take millions of years to form. The potential uses for hemp plastic are vast, spanning automotive parts, packaging materials, textiles, and more. In fact, today, companies like Ford, BMW, and Honda are already using hemp-based composites in their vehicles. Yet, full-scale adoption remains elusive due to the illegal status of hemp in many countries and the lingering stigma around cannabis. This isn't mere speculation or conspiracy theory, it's a documented truth backed by scientific research and historical facts. The question is, how do we separate the wheat from the chaff, the true potential of hemp plastic from the misinformation spread to discredit it? As investigators of lost labs and suppressed inventions, unraveling this mystery becomes our mission. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the science behind hemp plastic, explore current research and development efforts, and shine a light on the players, both past and present, working to suppress or promote this game-changing technology. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the shocking discovery of hemp plastic, a potential savior in our fight against pollution and climate change, mercilessly cast aside and forgotten. Delving into the backstory of hemp plastic technology reveals a tangled web of key players, some with vested interests in keeping this innovative material at bay. The story begins in the early 20th century when inventor and automobile pioneer Henry Ford began experimenting with plant-based plastics. In 1941, Ford unveiled an automobile made primarily of cellulose-based plastic, containing 70% agricultural products, including hemp and other plant fibers. The car's body panels were reportedly so durable that a demonstration famously showed them withstanding blows from a sledgehammer without denting. Around the same time, chemist and inventor William J. Hale developed a patented process for creating plastic from hemp and other plant fibers. His invention, known as Hale's patent, was published in U.S. Patent No. 2036, 150507 on March 4, 1936. Despite these promising developments, the age of synthetic petroleum-based plastics was dawning and hemp plastic technology faded into obscurity. Fast forward to the 1970s, when a resurgence of interest in hemp plastic emerged during the height of the environmental movement. Researchers at the University of Massachusetts Amherst began exploring the use of hemp fibers as reinforcement for composite materials. Led by Dr. R.W. Coutts and Dr. M.A.K. Flues, their work demonstrated that hemp-based composites could offer comparable mechanical properties to traditional fiberglass composites while being more